everybody, Mom and Son Train Rail Fans coming to you from Kershaw. Ray and I were out doing some rail fanning today and caught this little blue engine in Kershaw. So we're gonna chase it for a little bit and see what it's up to. Stay tuned. This is the little depot that's in Kershaw. It's a cute little depot, but the Hale Gold Mine run it now. You can't go in there and see anything. But it used to be the depot for Kershaw. This building right here used to be the Kershaw train depot, but it's owned now by the Hale Gold Mine. This is some of their executive offices. Cute little building though. Here in Kershaw, we don't have a lot of the electric arms that come down to let you know a train's going by. We have these trucks that stop in the intersections and let people know that the train is coming through an intersection. You'll see that black truck with the lights on stop at the intersection. And he's probably gonna head back towards the grain mill. So we'll follow him. He's going down into the grain mill. But none of the roads here through Kershaw have the electric train arms that go down. So the black truck has to stop at every intersection. We have a lot of 18-wheelers that come through here. Whoops, sorry, that's a bump. And we can't go any farther down into the grain mill, but I can try and... He's going to pick up another load. Alright guys, thanks for coming along. We appreciate y'all. Yep, he detached himself from his trains, so we're gonna head back to the grain mill and see what he's gonna do. We'll take you for the ride. Hope it's not too bumpy. But you'll see the black truck in front of us and he stops at the intersections. There he is. And the truck will go to the next intersection. You're coming for a ride with me and Ray through Kershaw today. And this is the last intersection before you hit the grain mill. can see he's going to stop again.